فبالله كم تستطب القروح ويبرأ جرح الكسير.
So, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I want a presentation about my IT project. So, before that, I want to introduce myself first. Sorry. I want to introduce myself first. My name is Nafma Aditi Kusumawardhani, and I'm from 8A in IDN British School Ahmed. So, for my IT project is there is a embedded system, or robotic, and multimedia. For robotic or embedded system, we'll learn about like some about technology about like um, microbit, tiny bit, make some code. In the name is a make put microbits, and later we will like make some IoT in the last semester, in the second semester, but in the first we make some the easy first, like the with hand gesture and the NB Bluetooth controller. And for the moment, multimedia, we learn about design. So the design is like poster dakwah, infographic, illustration, um, visual merchandise, UI, motion graphics, and each other. So, I will show you my poster dakwah, tiny bit controller, tiny bit my hand gesture, and infographic. We can we can begin to poster dakwah. So, poster dakwah is persuasive visual communication media that use combination of attractive graphic design and appealing color and religious message. So in here I choose Manjada Wajada. Why? I choose that because if we wanna try something but we scare, just do that because we never know. Because we never know. And we must we must not lazy. We shall not too lazy do that. So if there is a some SKL and I'm so lazy to do this, but we should to do that first because we don't know what in the end. In the end, we will feel the free because our SKL already done. That's the example. For the color, I use brown, orange, green, and black, and white. So for make this, I search the reference from this, and this. This is for the mountain, and this is for the, sorry, this is for the rock, and this is for the human, and this is for, actually this is my first reference, and I like think I want to make like this, but the different one. So the result is this. So for the make this, I factor the bird, I factor the mountain, rock, trees, and the human. So I not copy, and I just use um, this for the circle for the sun. And I use the plugin name is glow. So for make the sun is like shining. So we can continue the next one is a tiny bit Bluetooth controller. Tiny bit Bluetooth controller is education circuit are based on the microbit. So the tiny bits can we control from Bluetooth. We use name is Lofi Profi robot Profi control. So in the first we make the this make the code first. Then we upload in our microbit and we try in our tiny bit. If there is the wrong one, is the wrong. If the tiny bit don't want to walk, there is a some wrong like the is will wrong from the microbit code or the tiny bit. I ever like I ever there is a problem in my tiny bit in this SKL because the tiny bit is broken. My microbit is cannot, but alhamdulillah the code is fine. So and we make the code is from microbit make code. So we can continue to the infographic. So infographic are from a visual communication that present complex information. So in here, in this SKL, I choose istighfar because we know about istighfar, but we sometimes forget make that habits. So in the color, for this color, I choose green, cream, blue, and gray. In the, at first, I search the reference and I factor the mountain, factor the plane, I factor the river, and I factor the trees. And I factor this too. And we can continue to the next SKL. Name is Tiny Bit Hand Gesture. And in here, Tiny Bit Hand Gesture refers to the interactive features that can be applied to the Tiny Bit educational robot. So Tiny Bit Hand Gesture different with Tiny Bit Bluetooth control. If Tiny Bit Bluetooth control, we control from the Bluetooth, but in here we control the Tiny Bit with our hand gesture. So the things what we have to have is microbit, of course, tiny bit, and our hand. In the first, we make the code. It's still same, but the difference is just in here, run, back, right, and left. And this variable. variable. If if in If in tiny bit controller, we use variable registering, but in tiny bit hand gesture, we use that. So yeah, after we make the code, we can upload in our microbit and we use and up and try in tiny bit. So I will give example for the hand gesture if like this run, if like this back, if like this left, and if like this right. So in the debate hand gesture too, will we use AI for the hand name Gastrowan. The name is Teachable Machine. We use Teachable Machine for the AI. Sorry. I think that's all for me. Sorry if I have some many mistakes. If you guys wanna see me or my or my more project, you guys can see my website naflatahwatinidn.com. Sorry, I say sorry again if I have some mistakes in my work. Thank you for you guys' nice attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
فبالله كم تستطب القروح ويبرأ جرح الكسير الجريح